Ready to unlock massive growth for your Facebook page? Let's explore the essential strategies that will boost your presence and engagement. First, impressions matter. Start by fully optimizing your Facebook page. This is your digital storefront. Fill out every section, a compelling description that tells your story, accurate contact information, and a professional, high-resolution profile picture and cover photo. This builds trust and makes you look credible from the first click. Next, content is the heart of your page. You need to post consistently with content that is valuable and engaging for your audience. Think beyond just promotions. Share behind-the-scenes stories, user-generated content, helpful tips, and ask questions to spark conversation. Use a mix of formats: high-quality images, short-form videos, and informative articles. The goal is to build a community, not just a follow account. Don't forget to leverage all of Facebook's powerful features. Use Facebook Live to host Q&A sessions, tutorials, or special announcements. This creates a direct, real-time connection with your audience. Set up a Facebook shop to allow users to browse and buy your products without ever leaving the platform. To accelerate your growth, it's time to invest in Facebook ads. This is the most direct way to reach a wider, more targeted audience. Start by boosting your best-performing posts to get them in front of new eyes. Then, create dedicated ad campaigns with specific objectives, like driving traffic or generating leads. Use Facebook's powerful targeting options to zero in on your ideal customer based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Finally, true growth comes from engagement. Don't just post and ghost. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Run contests and giveaways to create excitement. Collaborate with other pages or influencers in your niche to cross-promote and tap into their audience. By actively engaging, you turn passive followers into a loyal and active community.